So let's look at a couple of examples here on the back. And it says, write the remainder in simplest fraction form, show all work. Well, once again, the process is taking the highest degree term and dividing it by what the variable from our divisor. So in this case, it's going to be x cubed divided by x, which, by the way, if you need to, x divided by x, one of those x's cancel out and we get x squared. We take that x squared times x is x cubed, x squared times 4 is 4x squared. It was positive x squared times positive 4. And then we're going to change both signs. Change both signs. And what happens is that the x cubes cancel out, and we've got 2x squared plus a negative 4x squared, which is negative 2x squared. I'm going to bring down the minus 5x. And we're going to go through that process again. We're always trying to get rid of the highest degree term. So we're going to take negative 2x squared divided by x. Again, if you need to, that's negative 2 times x divided by x. And one of the x's cancels out. So this is going to be minus 2x up here in our quotient. And then we're going to take negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times 4 is negative 8x. And then we have to change both signs. Again, what we notice, or at least I hope we notice, is that the 2x squareds, one's negative, one's positive, they cancel out. And then we've got negative 5x plus 8x, which is 3x. And we're going to bring down the 12. We're going to go through that process again. We're going to take the 3x divided by the x. The x's cancel out. It's positive 3x divided by positive x, which is going to give us positive 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. But once again, we need to change both signs. And what happens? We get 0 there. And because we end up with 0 is the divisor, which the divisor is x plus 4, is the divisor a factor? Yes. Now, as I switch over here to problem number 3, same idea, although we have to set it up. And I'm going to write my division bar. But it says, watch out, we are missing a cubed term. So this is going to be 4x to the 4th. We don't have it to the 3rd degree, so I'm going to write plus 0x cubed. Minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 4. What happens? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We've got all the degrees. We're dividing by 2x minus 1. And my space is a little tight here, but what we're going to do is we're going to take 4x to the 4th. I'm going to divide by 2x. Well, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And x to the 4th is x divided by x. I hope you don't have to do that. But worst comes to worst. So we've got 2x cubed. 2x cubed times 2x is 4x to the 4th. 2x cubed times negative 1 is negative 2x cubed. Change both signs. Well, the 4x to the 4ths cancel out, and we're left with 2x cubed. And then we're going to bring down the 5x squared. So we're going to go through that process again. 2x cubed divided by 2x. Well, the 2's cancel out. And then it's x, which is x cubed divided by x. One of the x's cancels out. It's positive divided by positive, which gives us positive x squared. X squared times 2x is 2x cubed. X squared times negative 1 is negative 1x squared. change both signs. The 2x cubes cancel out, and we've got minus 4x squared. And we're going to bring down the 2x. Go through that process again. Negative 4x squared divided by 2x. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. X squared divided by x is x. Again, if you need to, xx divided by x. Negative 2x times 2x is negative 4x squared. Negative 2x times negative 1 is positive 2x. Change those signs. And the thing here is, not only do the 4x squareds cancel out, but the 2x's also ended up canceling out. So we get a 0 there, but we still have this 4, which is going to end up being the remainder, because we can't divide 4 by 2x. So that's going to be our remainder. So it's going to be plus, because 4 is positive, and then it's going to be over 2x minus 1, what we were dividing by. And because we have a remainder of 4, the divisor, the 2x minus 1, is not a factor.